Hello, good day everyone. Now I will teach you how to set up my virtual machine. And now let's go to VirtualBox. Now let's click new and the name is example Onel Angelo I wait Regalado PC and version is Windows 7 64-bit and the type is Microsoft Windows. Now next, and as you can see the default is already displayed. Next and next ulit and finish. After you can see your created windows. Now let's proceed settings and we go to storage and we click empty and let's click this and choose file. Choose the file you download and open and you click OK and then we can start can start the process. um as you can see it's loading. And then okay, that's it. Select next and we install now. Now it's loading. You have to wait. Setup is starting. Okay, select the operating system you want to install. To further do, let's click Windows 7 Ultimate and next. Okay, I accept all the license term. Check and next. For this, you can select custom and this one you can create new drive this and can select new and apply. Let's click OK. Okay. This one and next. Okay, that's it. We're still waiting for the finishing setup. Okay, starting in 8 seconds. You have to wait. Setup is updating. Okay, completing installation. Sorry for the interruption. Okay, starting window. Setup is preparing for computer. Okay, I have to type username. Example regalado, and next password is regalado regalado 22 regalado 22 and um we type birthday. Next, this is optional and click next. Ask me later, and then viewing time and date and settings. Next, public network. Okay, let's preparing for your desktop. Okay, it's done. We create our new Windows 7. And that's all. That's all for this video. Thank you.